like there, like
So yan guys,
in the forest.
yan. Yan yung ano namin. Yan yung nagamit namin guys. Pang ano ng damo. Dahon pala. Yan.
I think no, it's already like kind of in a
So,
pile.
yan si Bro Darwin. Saka si Bro Jong.
Between
Hello.
70s and 6.
Hello to the followers in the Philippines.
I mean,
Yan. So ito yung service namin guys. Para mapunta sa trabaho namin na ano.
Yung ano namin ginagamit.
Ayan yung gasolina. Yan.
So gagawin namin.
Yan yung mga gamit namin. Backpack na makina. Ang
yeah, we could do that.
leaves blower. Yan. Yan.
Okay, all right.
Yan.
Okay.
So we stay here? No.
We'll go do the forest with the leaves.
Okay,
Forest over there.
So we're gonna start here.
No, we'll go over there. We'll go
Okay, okay. So yan guys. Lipat to.
Yes.
Ayan. Ito yung mga kasama namin guys.
Mga European.
Oh.
Say hi to the followers in the Philippines.
So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.